All right. Something else that I wanted to show is from my tiles here, I can open up my income statement. And something neat about the income statement here is not only can I view the detail, but I can also I can segment by column. So here, if I put accounting period and refresh, you're going to see that I'm going to have my income statement by accounting period. And even neater, I can do the same thing with my budget versus actual. So let me wait for my tiles to load, show my budget versus actual. And on my column, I can do department. Let's do department first, and then I'll do accounting period. And you'll see here that I'm going to have my budget versus actual for every transaction with no department, with the administration department, in the engineering department, marketing, operations, products, everything here. So you can see here, most of it is tied to no department. So let me go to accounting period. That might be more helpful. Might be a better example here. Here we go. So now we can see in January 2022, we had all of this for our budget versus actual. We had the amount, our budget amount, and amount over or under budget, and percent of the budget. So this is very neat in terms of expanding your reporting and having NetSuite really work with you and make life easier in terms of reporting here. Like I said before, we can also email this, schedule an email, print, and export to Excel, PDF.